Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the task create and delete for FreeRTOS on ESP32. Okay, so first, let's take a look at our menu. So FreeRTOS reference menu. This menu, you can download it from the FreeRTOS website. Okay, so let's take a look at the website. So this is a website, freertos.org. You can download it from here, support, book, and menu. So this is the reference menu. Download it. And let's take a look at the task create. What kind of function we need use for the task create. So click here and go for the task is here. So we have three functions: task create static, task create registered. We will use the first one. Let's take a look at the first one, task create. So this is a function we will use to create the task. The first parameter is the task function point. So it's here. This is a point. Okay, is a point to one function. This function is a C function. Okay, so this C function is an infinite loop. Normally it is an infinite loop. Okay, normally it is an infinite loop. So how we create the C function? Let's take a look at our code. Okay, so this code is from the previous lessons. Here, let's create our task function first. Okay. So for the task function, we use the void type. Void is my task. Okay, so the parameter is void point pv parameter. Okay, so it usually designed as an infinite loop. How we design the loop? We use the while. We use while one to design the loop. So in this task, what we are going to do? Okay, so we will print out some information. Let's say it's this information, and delay for 3 seconds. How we delay? We use this function, task delay. This is for 1 second. We delay for 3 seconds. Okay, so this is one task. Inside this task, it will print out some information like this. Hello world, Michael is here. And then delay 3 seconds. Continuously do the printing things. Okay, so this is our task. We will use the task create function to create the task. How we do it? First, we remove this code first. Okay, we remove this code, and then let's go back to the menu. So we will use this function, task create. We copy it, put it here. the first input parameter is the point to the function, is the point to the task function. So we copy this my task here. So the next parameter is the PC name, is a string variable. So we can just do the things like this. Okay. We can name it as my task. Okay, you can name it as my task 1. Okay. So next parameter is the stack depth. The stack depth, you can set the suitable value, any suitable value. Here we set it like 1K 24. Later we will discuss more about this value, how we set it, okay, how big we need to set it. Okay, so next, let's take a look. So this is input parameter for the task. It will go through here. Pass the input parameter to the task. Here we didn't, we no need to deliver any input parameter. So we can set the parameter as like this. Okay. So next is priority. Okay, is the priority. The priority for the FreeRTOS is from 0. Start from 0. The lowest priority is idle task. Priority is 0. So we set our task as the priority is a little bit higher than 0. We set it as 1. Okay. We set here as 1. A little bit higher than idle task priority. The last one is the task handle. Okay, is the task handle. For the task handle, it's very important. We can use it to do lots of things. Here we didn't use it yet, so we set it as none also. Okay, we set it like this. Okay, so we use create to task create my task. So it is very simple. It is a very simple code to create one task, and in this task we print out some information. Okay. So next step, let's compile the code and to see whether it will run as we design. Okay. So let's open our command line interface. This is our command line interface. We use it to compile our code. Here we need to go to our folder first. Go into my code. Okay, it should cd my code. Okay, and then go into hello world. Here we need to we already set the target and the manual config in previous lesson. So here we only need to compile it. IDF PE build. It will compile the code. Okay, it begin to compile. For the compile, if you only change the C file, you also can use IDF app to compile it. IDF app will only compile the application code, okay? Here we link the ELF file. Now finish the compile. Okay, we can try the compile app only. Okay, so we do a little bit of change and save it. So we use the app to compile it. So it's only running for application code, okay? Okay, now we finish the compile, and we can use the app fresh to download it. Also, we can use the fresh. So first, let's take a look. Let's try this one, IDF PE and fresh. If you have only one command port on your computer, you can use the fresh. No need a port name. It will automatically find the port, okay? So it will automatically find the share port here, okay? And download it if you have only one port on your computer. So we already finished the download the code. We need to open our monitor to see the output information, whether it is our design or not. Okay, we open our monitor. Okay, it's already output the information. Hello world, Michael is here. Hello world, Michael is here. You also can stop the monitor by using one shortcut like this. Okay, you can stop the monitor using the shortcut Control edit this one. Okay, so we can stop the monitor. Okay, so it outputs information. Hello, Michael is here. It means we already create the task successfully. Okay, so next we need to delete the task. How we delete the task? Okay, so let's take a look at the menu here. The task delete is here. We use this function to delete one task. It has one input parameter, task handle. Okay, so we define one task handle. We copy this one, put it in our code. Put it here. And this is the task handle. Okay, we put this task handle here at this position, and we use one. We get the address put here to get the my task handle. Okay, to get my task handle, we can change a little bit. This is my task. handle. Initiate as none. Okay. This is my task handle, initiated as none. So we will use this, put it here to get the task handle, okay? And from the menu, we use this one to delete it. We use the task delete function to delete the task which related to this handle, okay? So we put it here, delete, put the task handle for this parameter. Before we delete, we do some check if the my task handle not equal to none, okay? So we can delete it. Okay, here we still have another issue. If we create the task and immediately we delete it, so we will have no chance to run the printf information function. We no any chance to run this code, okay? So before we delete the task, we need to do some delay, okay? Let's say we copy this one, put it here. Let's say we delay for 6 seconds, okay? We delay for 6 seconds. After delete this task, we also print out some information. We also print out some information here. My task has been deleted. My task has been deleted. Okay. So after this one, after this information, we should never see the hello world output anymore. Okay. Before this one, we should see some hello world output information. Okay. So let's take a look whether it will run like this. Okay, we save it. We save it and we compile it again. Build IDF BE build, or you can use the IDF app. For the IDF app, it will not check the bootloader bin file. Okay. Okay, generate. Okay, we can just use the fresh to fresh the code into our board. Okay, now we open our monitor. We open our monitor. So hello world, Michael is here. Another hello world, Michael. Okay, after 2 hello world, we see that my task has been deleted. After this information, we cannot see any hello world output. Okay, it means the task has been deleted. Okay, so for this is one way to delete the task. We have another way to delete it. Okay, So let's take a look at our code. Here we use the task handle. If we put the delete function inside my task, it will no need a task handle, and it will delete the current task. Okay, let's take a look how we do it. So we remove this one. We remove this one first. Okay, we remove this one and put this task handle like this, and also we remove all of this. So this is the original create task create function, original, and we put it here. We put the task delete function inside the task. Here we no need the handle anymore. We can put this here. Okay, we can put this here. And also we cannot use the while loop anymore, because the task will be deleted after this function. Okay, so before we delete it, we output several information. This is hello world first, and this is hello world second, and this is hello world third. So it suppose output these three information and then delete the task. No more any other output information. Okay, so this is another way to delete the task. Inside my task, use this task delete function to delete current task. Okay, we save it, and then we also stop the monitor, and we compile it. We build it. Just a moment, generating the link file. Link the EL file. Okay, finish, and refresh it. Writing. Okay, it finished. So let's open the monitor to see the output information. Okay, first, hello world first, hello world second, hello world third. After these three output information, we didn't see any output information anymore. Okay, it means the task has been deleted. Okay, so this is the task create and delete. We use two ways to delete the task. Okay, so this is this video. I'm Michael. See you next time.